Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to transfer domain from Porkbun to Namecheap. So step number 1, verify that your domain is eligible for transfer. Before initiating the transfer, make sure your domain qualifies for it. Here are the standard requirements for most domains, including the GTLDs, new GTLDs, and some CCTLDs. The domain must have been registered or transferred at least 60 days ago. The domain must be unlocked at the current register. And step number 2, order the transfer. After verifying your domain name meets all transfer requirements, feel free to purchase the transfer at Namecheap. So to start, sign into your Namecheap account and go to transfer page. Enter the domain in the search bar in the domain TLD format. Any protocol like HTTPS or some subdomain like www. Should be removed and click transfer. Verify your domain is prepared for the transfer and check boxes next to the corresponding fields. Provide the authorization EPP code and add the transfer to the cart and check out using the preferred payment method. The transfer will be initiated at the registry level and the domain will acquire pending transfer status. Your previous registrar should release the domain within up to 5 to 7 calendar days. If they do not take any actions within this period, the transfer will be approved automatically. You may also check with them if it is possible to speed up the outgoing transfer with them. That's it. Thanks for watching.